In the next 5 minutes, we're going to take this folder full of spreadsheets, notes, screenshots, and a mixture of business files and turn it into a clean dashboard and an organized folder structure, and we're going to do all of it using Claude Cowork. Even if you've never used it before, you'll be able to follow along step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have downloaded Claude Cowork, completed your first project, and understood exactly how Claude Cowork can help you get work done, not just answer questions. So let's get started. So let's get Cowork set up, and this is very simple. The first thing you'll need to do is download the Claude desktop app. Cowork doesn't work in the browser version, it only works in the desktop application. Just search for Claude Cowork in your browser or go to claude.com/product/cowork and you'll arrive at this page. From here, click download Claude and install the application. Once you've installed it, you'll see 3 tabs here: Chat, Cowork, and Code. Our focus today is Cowork. You'll notice that the interface looks very similar to the regular Claude interface, but there's one important difference. Right below the prompt box, you'll see Work in a Project. This is where you connect Cowork to files on your computer. I'm going to click Work in a Project, and here I'm going to click on Choose a Different Folder and select this folder Business Files from my computer. Then click Open and Allow. That's it. Cowork now has access to everything inside this folder and can work directly with those files. You'll also notice 3 model options: Opus 4.8, Sonnet, and Haiku. And now we're ready to give Cowork its first job. Before we do that, let's take a quick look at what we're working with. Inside this folder, I've got spreadsheets, survey responses, notes, reports, screenshots, and a lot of files that aren't organized very well. Normally, I'd have to open these one by one and work out what belongs together, analyze the information, and then create the outputs myself. Instead, I'm going to ask Cowork to do it. And notice something important. I'm not going to tell Cowork exactly how to do the work. I'm simply going to tell it what I want the final result to look like. Here's the prompt I'm going to use. This folder contains all of my business data, including spreadsheets, an orders export, survey responses, notes, and market report, and screenshots. Please do 2 things and save everything back into this folder. First, build a single 1-page HTML summary that I can open in my browser. Include headline numbers, revenue by month, revenue by channel, top products and their key findings, and what customers are saying. Second, sort all of the original files into tidy subfolders. Use the sales, product, expenses, and survey files for the numbers, and clean up any messy or duplicated data before creating the summary. As soon as I submit the request, you'll notice that Cowork starts breaking the work into tasks. As it completes each step, it automatically checks it off so you can see exactly what it's doing. And second, notice that Cowork isn't just reading a single document. It's working across the entire folder. It's opening files, comparing information, extracting data, creating new files, and building the outputs we asked for. You can even see the progress in real time as each task is completed, and it's organizing the original files for us. When it's finished, all of those outputs will be saved right back into the folder. Okay, so Cowork has now finished, so let's have a look at what it produced. First, we have our HTML dashboard. Cowork analyzed all of the files, cleaned and reconciled the data, and then built this dashboard automatically. At the top, we have our key business metrics: total revenue, net profit, and average customer rating. Then we have visualizations showing revenue by month, revenue by channel, and our top performing products. Below that, Cowork has pulled together the key findings from the data, and it's even analyzed the survey responses to identify customer sentiment and extract real customer quotes. And if we go back to the folder, you'll see that Cowork has also organized all of the original files for us. Everything has been sorted into logical folders, documents, exports, images, notes, and spreadsheets. And that's it. So Claude Cowork took a folder that was extremely messy and turned it into a dashboard, a business summary, and a set of organized files, all saved directly on your computer. That's your first Cowork project done. And hopefully you've seen that getting started with Cowork is much easier than most people think. And here's the best part. Once you start, you'll start seeing opportunities to use Cowork everywhere: research projects, business reports and content creation, data analysis, or even run projects on a schedule so it takes care of everything automatically. That's what we'll be looking at in the next video. So I hope this gets you started with Claude Cowork today. Let me know what you create in the comments below. If you found this useful, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.